Hi there, this is Mr. Rich here to make some more Scratch videos with you all. Today we're going to be doing some flying animation and some talking animation. So let's get started. As always, go ahead and take a look at scratch.mit.edu to do some of your own programming. Let's start with flying animation. So, first thing we'll need to do today is go and get a backdrop over here on the right side on the bottom. Let's click on that. Today we're going to be looking for Canyon. Let's see if we can find that. There it is. Let's go ahead and click on Canyon. And it's taken a while. Let's go back and try it again. Is it going to work this time? That time it sort of worked. Okay, we're off to a great start. So now we're going to look for a sprite down here. Let's click on that. Today we're looking for Parrot. Let's see if it will load. Wouldn't that be great if it did? Okay, there's the parrot. Let's click on the parrot. Okay, we've got the parrot there in the canyon now. So what we're wanting to do with this parrot is get it to glide across the screen and flap its wings, and that's called an animation. So we're going to do the glide across the screen part first. So let's go and get a control block right here. If we click on this, we have all of our stuff. Actually, I'm sorry, we're in events, not control. So we need when the flag is clicked, bring it over. And we are going to start with the parrot at a certain point. So what we want to do is go to motion, and we want a certain point on that screen, which is an X and a Y coordinate. Let's see if we can find that. We are looking for go to. Alright, right here. We're off to a slow start today on this, but hopefully we'll pick it up. So let's click on this block and bring this over. So this says go to X, this point, Y, this point. And that's where it is currently on this screen, is the negative 100 on the X axis and the negative 37 on the Y axis. So we're wanting to change this X to negative 170, and that's going to send it to the left some. And we're going to change this to 120. So that's going to be much higher than it currently is. If I click on this, it's way up there and it's on the left hand side. So he's going to be on the up there in the sky. That makes sense. So now we're looking for glide so many seconds to another point. Okay, so let's go and get this one, glide, bring it over, and we're going to leave that at 1 second, but we're going to change this to, from the negative 170, we're going to send it to 150. So that's going to be on the other side of the screen over here somewhere. Okay, and this part we're going to change to 50. So he's at 120 right now on the y-axis. If he goes from 120 to 50, he's going to be going down. And if he goes from negative 170 to 150 on the X, he's going to be going across. So he's probably going to be going like this. Alright. So, we have finished the program here. And let's click on the green flag and see what he does. Okay, see how he kind of went. He starts, whenever I click this flag, he starts at this point over here and he goes then to this point. So there it goes. Okay. What we're going to do now is add the flapping of the wings animation into it. So let us go to event. Hit when the green flag is clicked. Okay. And he's going to flap his wings 5 times. So we are looking for, under control, right here, a repeat. And this is going to be a loop. We're going to put things inside here. We're going to change this from 10, we're going to change it to 5. Okay, so this is where we're going to be changing his costumes, his different costumes, which means that he looks different. His wings might be up and then they'll be down. So let's look at the costumes for a second here on this tab. And we have just an up and a down. He has 2 costumes there. Okay, let's go back to coding. So, we're going to be going in the looks category, and we're looking for switch costume. Okay, we found it. Switch costume. Okay, so here it is. We're going to make this, it's on parrot B. We're going to change it to parrot A right now. That's wings up. Then we're going to go to control, looking for a weight block. What did I do? I put it in the wrong one. Oh no. Let's see. That over. Okay, bring him over here. Snap it into place. Okay, now we're in good place. We're in a good spot. Okay, he's going to wait not very long at all. So we're going to change this from 1 second to 0.1 seconds. He's going to be flapping his wings pretty quickly. Okay, so now we want to go back to this looks category and get switch costume. And we're going to snap it right under the weight block. So we have switch costume, parrot A, weight, switch it to parrot B, and we also need to get another control weight block. Change this from 1 to 0.1, and that is your program. If I click on this, see how he's okay, great. And let's move him back. Okay, so you can see these are 2 programs and they're running separately right now. If we want to run them together, we click up here on this green flag, and that both of the programs will run at the same time that way. Okay, so there you have it. You have your animated parrot flapping his wings over the canyon. Okay, so that's going to be the end of this video, and the next time we meet, we will work on some talking and then some drawing animation. Alright, thanks a lot. We will see you all later.